Good morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about some great inventors and today I will teach you about the world of plants. Children, first I will explain you what is a plant. A plant is a living thing that grows in the earth and has a stem, leaves and roots etc. When someone or plants land with a particular type of plants or crop, they put plants, seed or young trees into the land to grow there. Plants are multicellular organisms in the kingdom. Plants that use photosynthesis to make their own food. They produce most of the world's oxygen and are important in the food chain as many organisms eat plants. Students, here next question is arise here. How do plants work? How do plants work? Using carbon dioxide, water, nutrients and energy from sunlight, the chlorophyll makes the food that the plants need. The roots hold plants in place and they absorb water and mineral that plants need to grow. The stem supports the plant and carries the water and mineral from roots to other parts of the plant. Now see in your book, first question is fill each blanks with correct words from the box. Here words are given and according to the statement you have to fill the correct words. First one is the part of the plant under the soil is called the, everyone know, answer is root. Number 2, blanks are non-flowering plants. Here options shoot, ferns, flower, root, stem. Correct answer is ferns are non-flowering plants. Number 3, the pears produces fruits. So what produces fruits? Flower. Flower produces fruits. Number 4, potato is a stem. Number 5, the part of the plant above the ground is called the shoot. Children, the part of the plant under the ground is called root and the part of the plant above the ground is called shoot. In previous class also you learn these things. Number B, correct the following by writing the correct letter in each boxes. Here both side statements are given. Here number 1, number 2 up to 10 and there another sides A to J. Both side statements are given. You have to tally the statements, make a correct statement and you have to write that letters, alphabetical letters in the box. But children, during the exam time you have to write in front of the statement you have to write the correct statement only. Now see, first one, the root grows. So what is the correct answer? C, underground. Number 2, the stem is, correct answer is F, the backbone of the plant. Number 3, the cactus makes food in the stem. Number 4, plants on hills, answer is have needle-like leaves. Fruits, answer is protect the seeds. The left answer is the food factory of the plant. Fibrous roots, correct answer is large number of roots of the same size. Tap roots, that is the answer here, one main root and the several smaller ones. Most plants are, correct answer is green in color. Baby plants, that answer is are contained in seeds. Now next question is C. Here put a tick mark for each correct answer and cross for the wrong answer. Here statement is given and read the statement and see which statement is true. In front of true statement you have to put the tick mark. In front of the wrong statement you have to put the cross mark. First one, Plants prepare their food with sunlight and oxygen is wrong. The roots absorb water and mineral salt. Yes, true. Number 3. All plants grow from seeds. That is false. Plants make their food at night. That is false. Next number, the stem carries food to all parts of the plant is true. Each seed contains food for the baby plant. Yes, true. Some fruits have no seeds is true. Water plants are called aquatic plants. Yes, true. Number 8. Water plants are called aquatic plants. That is true. Number 9. Potato is a root. Is false. And next one is a mushroom make their own food. Is false. Now write true or false next to each statement. Students, here also this one statement is given. True, false you have to write. Okay. Number 1 is a bean plant has tap roots. Is true. Some fruits have many seeds. Is true. A rice plant has fibrous root. Yes, true. Botany is the science of plants. Yes, is true. Chlorophyll helps mushrooms to make their food. Is false. Now see question number E. Connect the following by writing the correct letter in boxes. Students, here you have to match the both sides statement is given. You have to tally the statements and you have to write the alphabetical letter in the box. First one is the bamboo. Correct answer is used to make paper. Number 2, jute. Correct answer is used to make cloth. Acacia that used to gives us gum. Number 4, poppy that is used for medicine. Number 5, rose that is used to make scent. Now students, all these questions are given in description. From there you have to copy in your book, otherwise in your notes copy.